In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a back-to-top button in Wix. This is a simple feature, but it can make your website much easier to use, especially if you have long pages with a lot of content. A back-to-top button helps visitors quickly return to the top of the page without needing to scroll all the way back manually. It's a small touch that can improve the overall experience for anyone browsing your site. To get started, open your Wix editor and go to the page where you want to add the button. Once you're inside the Edit Site view, look to the top left corner of the screen and click Add. This is where Wix keeps all the design elements you can insert into your page. After that, click Elements, then find the Button section. Wix offers several button styles, so choose the one you'd like to use for your back-to-top feature. You can pick something simple and clean or something that matches the look of your website. The style is up to you, but make sure it's noticeable enough for visitors to find easily. Once you've selected your button, place it on the page. In most cases, a back-to-top button works best near the bottom area of the page, since that's where people are most likely to need it. You can position it there directly, or if you want it to stay visible while someone scrolls, you can pin it. Pinning the button is a useful option because it keeps the button on screen at all times, making it more accessible no matter where the visitor is on the page. Next, click on the button itself. At the top, you'll see a row of options. Choose Link, then edit the link settings. For the link type, set it to section. After that, choose the current page and then select the top section of that page. This tells Wix that when someone clicks the button, they should be taken straight back to the top. Once that's set, click Done to save the link. Finally, preview your site to make sure everything works correctly. Click Preview, then scroll down the page and test the button. When you click it, it should take you right back to the top section of the page. If it does, then your back-to-top button is set up and ready to use.